Okay, now for this day, we are to discuss about finding the slope of a given 2 points. So let's have first our key concept. So let's define or let's identify what these 2 points mean. The slope of the given 2 points have an x sub 1, y sub 1 for the first point and x sub 2, y sub 2 for the second point. So in finding the slope of the given 2 points, we'll make use of two formulas. We have m is equal to this y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Another formula will be m is equals to y sub 1 minus y sub 2 and x over x sub 1 minus x sub 2. Both formulas will give you the same answer, pero may konting difference lang. But yet, pwede silang gamitin. Pwedeng yung first formula or ang second formula. Let's have our example. Find the slope of the line given 2 points, -2, -4, and 2 and 1. Now, we will identify first what is x sub 1, what is y sub 2, para hindi kayo malito in putting up these 2 points in the formula. So, first ordered pair, we have x sub 1 and y sub 1. So, sa x sub 1, yun na yung makikita nyo dito sa first point. Ito si x sub 1. So, we have -2. And y sub 1 will be this one, y sub 1, which is -4. For your x sub 2 and y sub 2, nandito yun siya sa second point. So, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, we have 2 and 1. So, we'll make use of this formula. So, we have m. We will just substitute y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, we have here m is equals to, anong y sub 2? We have 1. Minus, yan, formula, minus y sub 1, which is -4. So, if you are encountering negative number after the operation, make sure make use of open close parentheses to indicate that your number is a negative number. X sub 2, which is 2, minus, yan, we will follow the operation written in the formula, x sub 1, which is -2. So, babalik tayo sa rules of integers. If you are subtracting unlike sign, so, kung maalala nyo ang KCC, yun yung mall natin dito sa Cotabato, we'll make use of KCC, which means keep, change, change. So, ikikip natin si 1 as positive 1. Ang inyong subtraction magiging plus, change, and your negative number will become positive. So, keep natin ang 1 as positive, ang subtraction natin, ang operation natin, nagiging addition, and your negative number becomes a positive number. And so, with the second equation, KCC rin. Sige, sulat natin para klaro. We will keep 2K, eto change, eto change. So, 2 will remain as positive 2. Your negative, or your subtraction rather, your operation here will change to addition, and your negative number here will change into a positive number. So, pwede na kayong mag-add. Madali nang mag-add. 1 plus 4, that is 5, over 2 plus 2, that is 4. This means that your slope for your 2 points, ito, is equal to 5 over 4. Now, let's have this one sa graph. So, we have point -2. Nandito si -2. Nasa baba ay nasa this side, -2. And -4 nandito. So, we have this point. Nandito ang inyong -2 and -4. Yan. Next point, we have +2 andito and +1 nandito. So, this will be your point for +2 and 1. Now, lalagyan natin ng straight line. So, we already have there. Your rise is 5 kasi paakyat tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 is our rise. Ito, 5. So, correct. Then, your run is positive. So, going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have the same answer in your graph and so with your solution. Now, what if we have the same problem, but in this case, we'll make use of the second formula. So, di ba, meron tayong two formulas. As I've said earlier, the two formulas will give you the same answer, pero merong lang pinagkaiba. So, ano kaya yon? So, let's find out. So, first, identify natin ang x sub 1, x sub 1, and y sub 1. X sub 2 and y sub 2. X sub 1 is -2, y sub 2 is -4, x sub 2 is 2, y sub 2 is 1. So, in this case, mauna naman si y sub 1. So, y sub 1 is 1 minus a 4, -4 rather, minus 1 over -2 minus 2. Okay, rules of integers, if you are subtracting same sign. No, paano natin malalaman same sign? This is -4 minus 1. You will add and copy the sign, which is -5. Tama? Then another one, same, negative, minus, minus 2. You will add and then we'll have -4. So, they are both negative, which will make them equal to positive din. Diba? Kanina, if both numbers are positive or negative, the final answer will be positive. Now, let's put this one into graph. So, ito. Kanina, ang ating directions ay pataas, paakyat dito. Tama? Now, for the second equation of second formula, ang ibibigay niya is yung opposite naman ng kanyang answer. So, kanina positive ang sagot. The second formula will give you the opposite, which is negative answer. So, ito yun siya. So, kung dito ka galing sa taas, pababa, you will have a -5. Then, going to the left, which is -4. So, yun ang inyong point. So, that's make the two equation different. Kung yung una, bibigay niya ang positive, ang pangalawa, ibibigay niya ang negative. Kung ibibigay naman ng negative yung una, bibigay ng pangalawang equation yung positive na inyong formula.